remember exactly what my mom said about it, but of course she ignored it. And it was cut so crudely. It was
Veronique.
like it was cut with nail scissors. And it was a nice photo. And who could have
Veronique.
been? That's me. Some part of my psyche, I guess. Maybe a very active subconscious mind. I can't decide if I really like having her with me. Hey, she keeps nudging me. It's like she's trying to help me fill in those missing years. But I'm not sure if I really like having her there all the time. She keeps...
I had a dream that I walked into a room and my mom was sitting there with a strange man. She said, Veronique, I'd like you to meet your new father, James Myers.
I was so afraid. She was pleading, Veronique, help me. She was crying so hard, and I didn't know what to do.
She was crying so hard. I had never seen my mom cry so hard. I'll never forget her face. It was red, and the tears and the snot. It was like this
I
white
remember
light.
sneaking into my mother's closet. I don't even know why. I was a curious kid. Maybe I was looking for chocolate. I saw a lot of photo albums, although I don't know if I knew what they were at the time. But they were stacked on a high shelf, and I wasn't sure how I was going to get to them, but I knew that I wanted to look at them. When I finally did take them down, I opened them up and saw a lot of very curious pictures. There were pictures of my mom with children, but children I didn't know. And my mom was holding their hands.
Stretch your leg.
I actually remember milking my first cow.
I do remember those cows. I thought it was a dream. My mom said I was just dreaming. Those cows are so big. And I had this little stool.
It's like a little handkerchief or a hood. And the eyes almost look like they're looking out beyond where the photographer is, so as if something has sort of caught the attention. And yeah, there's long shadows, which means it's a little bit later in the day. Maybe after the chores have been completed.
I can't tell if she's happy or
I
sad.
remember a farm, and there were other kids there. And there were these kids standing
The
there.
cows seemed quite interested in those long shadows.
And that's when I decided to run away. I ran at that very moment out the door. I was pretty little. I was scared. I couldn't see anything but the house across the road. It was a dirt road. I think that's where their parents lived. I think we called them grandparents. And that's where the farm was.